What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you my post-workout smoothie. As you see, I have protein powder, oat milk. Of course, you can use whatever milk you want. I have a banana, my Greek yogurt, and peanut butter. Now, feel free to use whatever substitutions you need to, but for the most part, you just want to make sure you get something similar. So like oat milk, you use whatever milk, whatever protein. So it is the start of the new year, and a lot of us are starting our fitness journey for 2024. The main thing, man, for me especially, is making sure I stick to my workouts and eating well. I know last year I got real lazy. So I am making a recipe for 2, but I will put the recipe for 1 down below, so make sure you leave a like on the video and check it out. If you do enjoy this video, also subscribe to the channel. So we'll get started. Now I do have a measurer right here so I can see. I don't need a measuring cup. If you have a NutriBullet, you already know, but I'm going in with 2 cups. Again, I'm making the portion for 2, so if you're making it just for 1, go ahead and use 1 cup. And honestly, this oat milk is from Costco. I'm not really a fan of it, especially for my coffee, but I like the Giovanni oat milk. I think that milk is way better and doesn't have any sugar. I get the 0 sugar one. This one does have sugar in it added. 2 cups if you're making 2 servings. Again, if you're making 1 serving, just 1 cup. Then I'm going with a scoop of protein powder. Now the protein that I have, and I've had for a little while now, for over a year, and I like it. They have a bunch of different flavors, but this company is called Blessed, and this one is a chocolate milk, and it has 23 grams of protein per serving. Next, I'm going with my banana. I could have used 2 bananas, but I don't really want to overpower it that much, and you know, I don't have a bunch of bananas, so you got to save some for the breakfast smoothies. And now for my favorite yogurt so far, I think it's the Oikos 000. They do have the vanilla. And this one is really good. 17 grams of protein, only 6 total grams of sugar, no added sugar. I'm going with 2 scoops of this. I have my ice cream scooper. I'll probably just do 1 scoop. This is a pretty big scoop. Yeah, that was a pretty big scoop. So I'm just gonna do 1 scoop with this ice cream scooper. But you know, if you have regular spoons, just use about 2 spoonfuls of that. All right, so now that I have this ice cream scooper cleaned off, I'm going in with the peanut butter. Now I'll do about a big spoon of that. This one's gonna be hard to get out though, and I'm at the last of my peanut butter, but I did go to Costco and I got some more peanut butter. All right, I had to get a spoon because I knew this wouldn't come out, but I'm gonna go in with 2 scoops of peanut butter. I'm gonna open up my new peanut butter for the next recipe I make, or for the next smoothie I make. Yeah, this should be enough right here, honestly, especially with the chocolate. You don't need too much peanut butter. Now I'm just gonna add about a handful of ice, just to keep it kind of cold. I don't really like it when it's too much of like a room temperature shake smoothie. That should be enough ice. Stay tuned to this channel. I'm gonna have a lot more, you know, not fitness stuff, but just meals and shakes and smoothies that you guys can make at home along with this fitness journey. All right, so let's pop this off. Hopefully this should be enough. Now I'm gonna try to balance it out. We'll go right there, and then I'll just add a little bit more. All right, let's see. Of course I'll make a mess. That's about good right there. Here are my 2 protein shakes. Make sure you leave a like on the video if you do enjoy this and you want to see more content like this. Subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below with some recipes that you like, and I'll check them out. Appreciate you guys for tapping in. Peace.